Hi everyone, today's class is about knowing about the types of industrial robots, I/O communications. ABB industry robots have many I/O communication interfaces, making it easy to connect with peripheral devices. Now let's see the types of I/O signals. In ABB robots, they can be divided into three types. The first one is the communication between the robot and computer, such as RS-232 interface. This interface can also connect with bar decoders and visual systems, as long as there has a RS-232 interface, OPC server, and a socket message communication. The second type is the connection of bus lines of the robot, including device-net communication, Profibus communication, and Profinet communication. The third type is the standard connection interfaces in the robot itself, including I/O board communication or standard PLC control provided by ABB company. Now let's get to know about some common communication protocols. The device-net communication. It is created by Allen Bradley Company in the United States, which is purchased by Rockwell Company. It is a simple, affordable, and effective protocol, and suitable for the field bus lines. Profibus communication is a standard of field bus lines, extensively used in automation technology fields. In 1987, initiated by Simon A.G. German, other 13 companies, and 5 academic institutions, it is introduced and its full name is Process Field Bus. A field bus that is international, extensive, and independent from producer. ProfitNet communication is a new generation of bus standards based on Ethernet communication and industrial Ethernet technologies. To conclusion, RS-232 is one of common serial communication interface standards. It was created under the cooperation of EIA US, Bell, modem manufacturers, and computer terminal manufacturers in 1970. Now let's get to know about the types of I/O signal types in industry robots. About the connection interfaces of I/O signals, we will start with the following. First, a standard ABB I/O board can process common signals: DI input signal, DO output signal, AI analog input signal, AO analog input signal, and conveyor chain checking, which will be introduced in this chapter. Second, ABB robots can be equipped with standard ABB PLCs without connecting external PLCs and conduct PLC operation in its demonstrator. Third, taking the DSQC651 board and Profibus DP as examples. This lecture will teach you how to set the parameters. The standard ABB I/O board should be set with corresponding input and output signals. Before operation, the parameter include I/O module and I/O signals. After setting, the system should be restarted. Taking an ABB robot as an example, to see its interfaces in the control cabinet of the robot. Interfaces include A. Additional shaft power capable connector, B. Flex pendant connector, known as the demonstrator, C. I/O connector, D. Security system connector, E. Power and cable connector, F. Power input connector. G. Power connector. H. Device net connector. I and J. Signal cable connector. K. Shaft selected connector. L. Additional axis and signal cable connector. Now let's take a look in figure to introduce the I/O communication interfaces of ABB robots. Open the control cabinet. We can see a mainframe. It is a complete computer with all the essential parts of a computer. We can see that there has two zooms in figures in the above of the screen. As you can see, in the position of hard disk, there is an Internet connection interface, RS-232 interface, on the right zoom in figure. You may see a communication board of device net and Profibus DP adapter. But the Profibus DP adapter should be installed based on your needs. It is up to you. The standard APP I/O board should be installed on the door of the control cabinet. Depending on the actual operation needs, you can install one or more boards. Everyone, industrial robots are important basic devices to implement auto production, intelligent production lines, digital plants, and smart plants. And they are also crucial to accelerate the development of advanced manufacturing industry and building a country with a strong manufacturing. Even though China is a major country in the application of industry robots and production, the core technologies in precise reducer, controller, and servo system and other key parts, as well as the core algorithm technologies of the robots, are still controlled by developed countries. We should admit the divide between countries and move forward. With the growing national comprehensive strength today, we need to be prominent in our generation. During the transformation process from a major manufacturing country to a country strong in manufacturing, we must contribute great effort to meet this goal. To sum up, ABB robots have field bus standard I/O boards and serial interface protocols. The I/O communication is flexible and efficient. Please think about what other communication technologies can you exemplify, and please learn about the current circumstances of our country's development in communication technology. Okay, that's the end of the class. Thanks for watching.